In this video, I'll show you how to send money with PayPal. First, you need to sign into your PayPal account. On the main page, select Dashboard. To be able to send money, you need to complete the setup after creating an account. These are 2 points out of 4: email confirmation and bank card connection. The last 2 points are optional. Select the first item, email confirmation. Click on the Send Email button. After that, an email from PayPal will be sent to your email. To confirm your email, you need to follow the instructions received from PayPal. After that, select the second item, connecting a bank card. Select a card type and fill in the details. The billing address will be automatically populated based on the address you provided during registration. After connecting a bank card to your PayPal account, you need to go to the bank card settings and select the currency of your country, the currency of the card. After that, you will be able to send money via PayPal. To send money, it is not necessary to replenish your account. You can immediately send it from a card that is connected to PayPal. To do this, in the Send Money section, enter the recipient's details, for example, email. If you entered the correct data, then below you will see a picture of the user and you can select this account and send money to him. You can even send $1. If you do not have this amount on your PayPal account, then you can pay it via card. After that, the money will be sent to another PayPal user. The money will be credited instantly. It is very convenient and very fast. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.